Alright, so what we're doing now, we got a speed shape that you also can order from dipyourcar.com along with this plastic dip, black. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna base this as our base. We're gonna go around it maybe 4 to 5 times, and then we're gonna come over it with our Trump gold or whatever color we choose to go to. This here basically is a tester to see what your color comes out to be and what it looks like pretty much. So, see you in the finish. Next step is to place our top pearl coat into this tube and place it over our base. And what I've done is created 2 bases. I have a black base and I have a white base. I place them onto these speed shapes, and I'm going to show you the difference between your 2 bases and the differential of what you get on the outcome. Should be 2 different colors, but we'll see. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to let this first coat dry, and we're going to go over it maybe 4 times. Now we have our 2 comparisons. On my right, I have the white base laced with the Trump Gold Pearl, and I have the black base on my left laced with the Trump Gold Pearl. Now here's the difference. Your base will determine the outcome of any pearl that you apply to your vehicle, tires, or etc. Here are the 2 comparisons. You decide which one you like.